Okay, you need to do an experiment at home. You need to go to Steve Spangler Science. I've given you the link in the assignment. There's the assignment. It's called Big Formal Lab Activity, and there's the link in blue. When you go there, this is what you're going to see. You'll have some choices. You should probably pick chemistry, and then it'll show you a bunch of different chemistry experiments. You need to pick one. Be careful. Some of them require you to purchase items from them. You can't do that. We don't have the time. It's got to be an experiment that you can do in a day or two. You'll have a few days to collect the items that you need. So I'm going to go to the second page here. I'm going to show you the one that was picked. It's this one right here. It's called Homemade Rock Candy. So if you click on that, it will bring you to the experiment. That's what you would end up making. This is pure sugar, rock candy. You can't pick this experiment. This takes a couple weeks to do. I have done it in the past with other classes, but I just kind of want to go through what you need to do for this experiment. So you pick an experiment, and then I want you to email it to me, okay? First one that emails me that particular lab gets it. Nobody else in your cohort can do the same lab as you, okay? So you need to be kind of quick about this. And then we're going to make a formal lab write-up for it, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is write the title. Homemade Rock Candy. I got that right from the website. When you email it to me, I'm going to send you back your purpose. Okay, this one says to make rock candy by creating a supersaturated solution of cane sugar and water. Then you need to watch the videos and write the word materials and list all the materials that are required to make, to perform your lab. Okay, so this one required 3 cups. Make sure you put amounts in. What is the substance? Cane sugar. Any items that you need to make it in, so a big glass container, you're measuring it with a measuring cup, you're mixing it with a spoon, etc., etc. It's quite a few items. You need to list them under materials. Procedure. That's what you need to get done on your first day. Okay? Pick your experiment, email it to me. I'll send you back your purpose, and you're writing out the materials. Okay, the title, I send you the purpose, you write out the materials. On day 2, you're writing the procedure. So you kind of watch the video and write it out into steps. So my first step, pour 3 cups of cane sugar into a large glass container. Notice I didn't say, I need to pour 3 cups. You can't use words like I or you or we. They're written in what we call third person. Include amounts, include the substance, include any other items that you need. It needs to be numbered. 1, write a little sentence, period. Maybe make sure it has a capital. There's number 2, start it with a capital, end it with a period, etc. Okay, show all your steps. Observations is next. Your observations, so there you would write observations. I've written it all in capital letters. We're making a table. What chemicals did you use in the experiment? And I want you to tell me their physical properties. So this experiment used water, cane sugar, and food coloring. When I'm listing my physical properties, I always want to say what state it is, what color it is, and then a third property. So water is a liquid, it's colorless, and I would say it's transparent. Cane sugar is a solid. It's white, and you can't see through it. It's opaque. Food coloring is a liquid. It was green, the one in the video, and it has, actually that should be low viscosity, so it's runny like water. The last part is your analysis. So you actually have to perform the experiment, do it, and take pictures of it. So you would have a picture of what you made. You would have a picture of you doing it. I don't have that here because this experiment takes too long. Okay, I can do it and put my photo. So you need photos in your observations. Okay, so I did, where does it say Make a video of you doing the lab or take photos. That goes in your procedure, okay? That goes in your observations, okay? Analysis. What did you see when you did your experiment? So when I completed the lab after 2 weeks of waiting, the sugar formed solid crystals on the string. The sugar came out of the supersaturated solution. You need to tell me errors. So the first time I tried the lab, I didn't let the string dry long enough and all the crystals formed on the bottom of the jar, not the string, okay? So that's an error. How could I make it better? I would make the solution for just the strings and let them dry overnight. I would also place my jar in a sunny window so the experiment would finish quicker, okay? What did you see? Were there errors? How would you make it a better lab? Okay, all of this parcel of a formal lab, okay? You can bring it to school and kind of show me how you're doing. You've got 3 days to work on this, and when you're done, submit it on the VLE.